Hello, my name is Declan Scott, and this is the Steel Eel, a sustainable light design for Birrarung Marr. Bright beginnings. The Steel Eel is a die-cast aluminium light piece designed to enhance the aesthetic of Birrarung Marr's path skirting the Yarra River. With sustainability a top priority, the 25-piece display runs solely on solar energy, powering efficient LED lights through the night. Inspired by past indigenous use of eels in this area, the structure represents protruding ribs which curve along the river, admired as a feature during the day while guiding pedestrians at dark. Daytime delight. The lights have an optimum charging angle during sunlight hours and are aligned with the original tree formation planted along the path. Standing just over a metre tall, the lights are safely noticeable without being obtrusive. They are accompanied by a city view that only becomes more majestic at night. Nighttime charm. With streaks of light cast by the unique low angle of the steel eel, the river path becomes an art piece for pedestrians to interact with. Guiding lights shine from the top of each rib, allowing space awareness of each piece while also adding ambience to your evening stroll. The exploded views show the components that each unit consists of. This includes a main body, main lens, top LED PCB and bracket, and top heatsink, a solar panel, backplate, solar charge controller, LED driver, main heatsink, the main LED bracket, and LED and PCB, a daylight sensor, the battery bracket, and a battery. These are all held together by M4 bolts, with the unit itself drilled into the ground by anchor bolts, which are set in concrete. Sustainable design for manufacture. The steel eel is a single die-cast molded structure, meaning only one casting tool will be needed to create all units. This reduces the amount of waste and manufacturing emissions caused by creating multiple tools, like current lighting solutions today. Pressed steel brackets support the internal components. The steel brackets are screwed into the main housing by tapping holes in the housing first. The LED bracket within the housing is on less of an angle than the lens, so the light is cast further out onto the path, while heat sinks keep both LED modules cool. Internal ribs strengthen the design while holding main components like the solar panel or LEDs. There is a recess between the ribs for the solar panel to allow wiring to run down without being cut off by the ribs. Bolt holes are recessed within the main body for the backplate to sit flush against the back of the housing. The section view shows the solar charge controller and anchor bolts. Within the steel eel, the battery is held by a rubber strap. The daylight sensor sits below the main light, meaning when this area gets dark enough, the main light will be able to make it brighter instantly. The steel eel conclusion. This design is an environmentally conscious homage to the original Wurundjeri people's land, representing and respecting its subtle beauty with sleek curves and reflective faces. With all necessary components to provide long-lasting solar-powered light in an efficient and sparing manner, the steel eel has satisfied the brief to illuminate Birrarung Marr.